got an ID with you? Yeah, I know. Do you have an ID with you?
Huh? 1 second.
Okay. Cooking oil theft? You ever heard of that?
What?
You ever heard of cooking oil theft?
No.
That's the thing. An unmarked truck. Well, they sell it for good money. That's what they're stuffing up right now. Huh?
I was reading off the
AG6. Run that for me and tell me what it is. Hello. You guys got your license with you? Who do you work for? Who do you work for?
Huh?
Who do you work for?
Ini goes now. Oh. Con
Over here.
no
Hey,
kidding.
who do you work?
No English, my friend.
Alright, come stand over here, man. You got a license with you?
We work in Green Star. Oh, I'm sorry.
For who? For who? Where you working at?
Green Star.
Greenstock?
Yeah,
Alright, where's that at?
the company.
Yeah, where's it at?
Called
Located.
Cooking for in Miami.
Located in Miami?
Yeah.
Alright, come hang out over here. Have a seat on the curb for me.
Okay.
Have a seat. Sit.
Sit down, right?
314 flyer. Have a seat. Sit. Legs out, legs out.
Lay down.
Stick your legs out. On there, all the way down.
Like this.
Yep.
Okay.
Show me and 13 out behind the barbecue place in Flagler Plaza with 2 males. Good. Face my car.
Hey Sarge, I found something better for water repellency than kiwi.
Yeah, be careful. Get down from there.
What's the worst that happens? I'm off tomorrow?
Alright, my man, you're under arrest.
No,
For
that's
burglary,
okay.
loitering and prowling, theft, all kinds of stuff, alright? I'll give you a full list in a little bit. Alright, man. Come over here and have a seat in my car.
If you want, we can take those cuffs and just throw them in the back of that truck real
Watch your head,
fast.
watch your head, watch your head, watch your head.
Yeah. They'll never rust again.
I could use some lube on. They are getting a little rusty.